Residential HVAC service technicians spend a lot of time in places like this. Funny thing is, on their way through mechanical rooms to get here, they walk past thousands of dollars in additional repairs and accessory sales. Why do they do it? Because they have blinders on and they just don't see the opportunities. Imagine this scenario. Suppose you had a problem with your shoulder. You go to the doctor, he takes an x-ray of your shoulder, he gives you some kind of shot, you're good as new. The crazy thing is though, the day after they fix your shoulder, you have a massive heart attack. It almost kills you. They rush you off to ICU, you're in ICU for weeks and weeks, you can't work, your medical bills go to the ceiling, your family's all upset. I mean, it's really major trauma. It turns your whole life upside down. A couple of months in the ICU, you see the shoulder doctor walking down the hallway. You lean over and you say, "Hey, shoulder doc, what are you doing?" He looks in the ICU, he sees you laid there on the monitors and all the machinery, and he looks at you and he says, "What happened to you?" And you say, "Doc, it's the craziest thing. The day after you fix my shoulder, I have a massive heart attack. It almost killed me." The shoulder doctor looks at you and says, "Well, I'm not surprised. I thought you were gonna have a heart attack the day you were in my office." And you say, "What? You knew I was gonna have a heart attack?" The shoulder doctor says, "Yeah, your heart was skipping beats, it was bouncing all over the place. I thought it was gonna explode right there in my office." You turn to the doctor and you say, "Doc, why didn't you tell me I was fixing to have a heart attack?" The shoulder doctor looks at you and says, "Hey pal, you came to see me about your shoulder." How would you feel about your doctor if he fixed your shoulder and ignored your heart attack? You wouldn't like it very much, would you? Because we have an expectation that the professionals in our lives, if they find out about additional problems, they bring them to our attention. But you know what? Our service technicians are doing that every day. They go in with a laser focus to fix the air conditioner or furnace, but they ignore the heart attack going on with the indoor air quality or with the water heater. Why do they do that? Well, because they don't have the training to take advantage of those opportunities. And why don't they have the training? Well, because in most cases, it's too expensive and it just doesn't work. But we fixed that.